Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English with Class. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And today, we are starting with a very important question. Anna, what is the very first thing you do when your alarm goes off in the morning?
Honestly, I hit snooze. At least twice. Sometimes 3 times.
3 times. And then what happens?
And then I wake up rushed, stressed, skip breakfast, and feel behind for the entire rest of the day.
I used to do exactly the same thing. Until I discovered that how you spend your first 60 minutes in the morning literally determines the quality of your entire day.
And once I changed my morning routine, everything changed. My productivity, my mood, my English practice, my energy levels, all of it improved.
So today, we are talking about morning routine and productivity. The habits that set you up to win every single day. Plus all the English vocabulary you need to talk about routines, habits, and productivity like a native speaker.
This episode is your morning upgrade. Let's go.
Anna, let's talk about why mornings matter so much. Because some people think, I'm a night person, mornings aren't for me.
And here's what the science says. In the morning, your willpower, focus, and decision-making are at their absolute peak. Your brain has just rested. Your mental energy tank is full. Whatever you do with that energy, that sets the emotional and mental tone for everything that follows.
There's a famous saying, win the morning, win the day. And research on high-performance individuals, CEOs, athletes, artists, leaders, consistently shows that the vast majority of them have intentional, structured morning routines.
Not because mornings are magic, but because how you start something determines how you continue it. If you start your morning chaotically, rushing, stressed, reactive, you carry that energy all day. But if you start with intention and calm, that energy carries forward too.
And here's the English learning connection. The morning is also the best time to practice English. Your brain is fresh, receptive, and ready to absorb new language. So your morning routine and your English growth are deeply connected.
Vocabulary breakdown, 10 essential English words for productivity and morning routines.
Number 1. Alarm. The device or sound that wakes you up at a set time. I set my alarm for 5:30 every morning. And the tempting enemy of the alarm, snooze, the button that delays it. Stop hitting snooze. It actually makes you more tired.
Number 2. Ritual. A series of actions performed regularly in a set order. More intentional than just a routine. My morning ritual includes meditation, journaling, and exercise. In that exact order.
Number 3. Intention. A clear aim or purpose for what you want to achieve. Setting a daily intention every morning gives your brain a target to focus on all day.
Number 4. Hydrate. To drink enough water to keep your body functioning well. The first thing I do every morning is hydrate. 1 full glass of water before anything else.
Number 5. Prioritize. To arrange tasks in order of importance, dealing with the most important ones first. Productive people prioritize their top 3 tasks the night before or first thing in the morning.
Number 6. Mindset. Your established set of attitudes and beliefs that shape how you see and respond to the world. A positive, growth-oriented mindset in the morning changes how you approach every challenge during the day.
Number 7. Journal. A personal notebook where you write your thoughts, feelings, and plans. Used as a verb, to journal means to write in it. I journal for 5 minutes every morning to clear my head and set my focus.
Number 8. Momentum. The energy and motivation that builds when you start completing tasks successfully. Completing even one small task in the morning creates momentum that carries you through the rest of the day.
Number 9. Nourish. To provide food and substances necessary for health and growth. More intentional than just eat. Nourish your body with a real breakfast. Your brain needs fuel to perform at its best.
And number 10, discipline. The practice of training yourself to follow rules and routines consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is not punishment. It's the daily commitment to the version of yourself you want to become.
5 powerful morning habits that productive, successful people do consistently.
Habit number 1. Wake up without hitting snooze. The moment your alarm sounds, get up. Immediately. Before your brain talks you back into sleep. This single habit trains your brain that your decisions are firm and your commitments are real. It builds discipline from the very first second of the day.
The English phrase, first decision of the day. How you respond to your alarm is your first decision. Make it a strong one.
Habit number 2. Hydrate immediately. Before coffee. Before your phone. Before anything else. Drink 1 full glass of water the moment you wake up. Your body has been without water for 7 to 8 hours. Your brain is 60% water. It needs replenishing before it can perform.
This single habit, 30 seconds, zero cost, improves alertness, metabolism, and brain function immediately. 1 glass, every morning, non-negotiable.
Habit number 3. Move your body for at least 10 minutes. Exercise, stretch, walk outside, yoga, dance in your kitchen, whatever works for you. Physical movement releases endorphins, the brain's natural energy and mood chemicals. 10 minutes of movement creates more real energy than any cup of coffee.
The English phrase here, get your blood flowing. It means to activate your body through movement. Before I sit at my desk, I always get my blood flowing with a quick morning walk.
Habit number 4. Set your top 3 priorities for the day. Not 20 tasks. Not a never-ending list. Just 3. The 3 things that, if completed today, would make today genuinely successful. Write them down. Speak them out loud in English. Today I will finish my report, practice English for 30 minutes, and call my client.
This creates what productivity experts call intentional focus. You know exactly what matters today, so distractions have less power over you.
Habit number 5. Include 5 minutes of English practice. Listen to 1 English podcast. Read 5 English sentences. Review vocabulary flashcards. Write 3 English sentences in your journal. Whatever it is, make English part of your morning ritual. Starting your day in English primes your brain to think and process in English all day long.
And since you're already here listening to this podcast, you are already doing habit number 5. Give yourself a pat on the back right now. Seriously.
3 tips to build your perfect morning routine.
Tip number 1. Start smaller than you think you need to. Most people design an elaborate 2-hour morning routine and then give up by day 3 because it's unsustainable. Start with just 15 minutes. 5 minutes hydrate and move. 5 minutes priorities. 5 minutes English. Master 15 minutes first, then slowly expand.
Tip number 2. Prepare your morning the night before. Lay out your exercise clothes. Write your top 3 priorities. Fill your water glass. The less friction you face in the morning, the easier healthy habits become. Remove every excuse in advance.
Tip number 3. Protect your morning from your phone. The single biggest enemy of a productive morning is social media and email first thing. When you reach for your phone immediately after waking, you shift from a creative, intentional mindset into a reactive one. Give yourself at least 30 minutes of phone-free morning time first.
Your challenge. The 7-day morning upgrade. Starting tomorrow, commit to this simple routine every morning for 7 days straight.
Wake up without snooze. Drink water immediately. Move for 10 minutes. Write 3 priorities in English. Listen to 5 minutes of English audio. That's it. 7 days. Tell us in the comments how day 1 goes.
Quick recap. We learned 10 vocabulary words: alarm, snooze, ritual, intention, hydrate, prioritize, mindset, journal, momentum, nourish, and discipline.
5 powerful morning habits. No snooze, hydrate immediately, move your body, set top 3 priorities, and English practice every morning.
3 tips. Start small, prepare the night before, and protect your morning from your phone.
And your 7-day morning challenge starts tomorrow.
If this episode gave you one new idea for your morning, please hit like. Subscribe to Juragan English Channel for weekly English and life content that actually matters.
Share this with someone who always says they're not a morning person. This episode might just change their mind.
Every single morning is a fresh start, a clean page, a new opportunity to become the person you're working toward. And it begins the moment you open your eyes.
Win that moment, build that routine, and speak English while you do it.
Bye, everyone. Wake up early, speak English loudly, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.